Everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and look, I found a new placemat at the Dollar Tree. Hug in a mug. Isn't that cute? Oh my god, we are the perfect blend. I thought this, I haven't seen any good placemats at the Dollar Tree, and I picked this one up because, I love coffee, so I just thought this was really cute. So today I'm going to share a couple cards with you all for Satmorn Makes, hosted by Jill Norwood on YouTube, and I'll link her channel down below. I think everybody's still doing Satmorn Makes, right? But nonetheless, I'm here today to share two birthday cards. This birthday card I created for my husband's niece. She loves dogs. She has a golden retriever. And I thought this would be really cute. I used a Dollar Tree sticker, some die cut circles, and then here's a Hobby Lobby sticker, happy birthday sticker. Backed it with some pattern paper. Yeah, I thought that was really cute. And it's an A2 size card. Added one little bling. Needed something. And I added a black little bling there. So that's my first card. And then this is my second card. I used paper from that color box paper. Let me get it. I have it here. This paper pad. I think. Did I use it from this paper pad? I think I did. Let me see. Yeah. Yes. Here it is. Yeah, so it's from this paper pad that I got from Walmart back when, and they still have them. So this is one side, and this is the other side of that sheet of paper. Then I used some ribbon from, where is it? From Hobby Lobby, that I was like, oh, this is cool. I'm going to add it to my card. So there's a piece of ribbon. And then I used these really big, what do you call it? Butterflies from the Dollar Tree. And it came in a set of 4. And they're this big. They're pretty big. And I was like, I was going to give this away to a friend. And I was like, oh, I might need it. So I really love how this card came out. I really love the colors. And then I added more of that ribbon to my happy birthday sentiment. And then inside I just added another piece of that paper. What is going on? And I called it a day. So here are my 2 birthday cards for Satmorn Makes, hosted by Jill. And I hope, Jill, you're doing okay. Haven't seen many videos, but hopefully everything's okay. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.